Aging doesn't happen all at once. It happens quietly, cell by cell, day by day. Long before wrinkles appear or energy fades, your cells are already deciding how fast you will age. And one of the most powerful signals they respond to is food. Not calories, not trends, but specific foods that tell your body whether to repair itself or slowly break down. The truth is, people who live longer don't just eat less, they eat differently. Today, you're going to discover 15 foods that actively support longevity and slow the aging process, helping your body stay stronger, sharper, and more resilient with time. Let's begin. Food number 15 is olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in polyphenols that reduce oxidative stress, one of the main drivers of aging at the cellular level. These compounds protect blood vessels, lower inflammation, and support heart health, which is strongly linked to lifespan. Populations with the longest life expectancy consistently use olive oil as their primary fat. Food number 14 is blueberries. Blueberries are packed with anthocyanins, antioxidants that protect brain cells from aging. Studies show they improve memory, reduce cognitive decline, and lower inflammation. Regular blueberry consumption is associated with better brain function well into old age. Food number 13 is fatty fish. Salmon, sardines, and mackerel provide omega-3 fatty acids that protect the heart, reduce chronic inflammation, and support brain health. Omega-3s also preserve telomeres, the protective caps on your DNA that shorten as you age. Longer telomeres are linked to longer life. Food number 12 is leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and arugula supply folate, vitamin K, and magnesium, nutrients that protect blood vessels and reduce arterial stiffness. Healthy arteries mean better circulation, oxygen delivery, and slower cardiovascular aging. Food number 11 is nuts. Almonds, walnuts, and pistachios contain healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants that reduce inflammation and support metabolic health. Large population studies show that regular nut consumption is associated with lower all-cause mortality. Food number 10 is legumes. Beans and lentils are staples in many blue zone diets, regions where people routinely live past 90. They provide plant protein, fiber, and polyphenols that stabilize blood sugar, reduce insulin resistance, and support gut health, all key factors in longevity. Food number 9 is fermented foods. Yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi support a diverse gut microbiome. A healthy gut reduces systemic inflammation, improves immune function, and enhances nutrient absorption, all of which slow biological aging. Food number 8 is green tea. Green tea contains catechins that protect cells from oxidative damage and support healthy metabolism. It also activates pathways linked to cellular repair, including those associated with longevity and reduced risk of chronic disease. Food number 7 is tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that protects skin from UV damage, supports heart health, and reduces inflammation. Cooked tomatoes provide even more bioavailable lycopene, making them especially beneficial for aging skin and blood vessels. Food number 6 is dark chocolate. Dark chocolate with high cocoa content contains flavonoids that improve blood flow, support brain function, and reduce inflammation. In moderation, it's associated with better cardiovascular health and improved mood, both important for longevity. Food number 5 is garlic. Garlic supports immune function, lowers blood pressure, and reduces oxidative stress. Its sulfur-containing compounds activate detoxification enzymes and protect cells from damage linked to aging and disease. Food number 4 is avocado. Avocados provide healthy fats and antioxidants that support heart health and reduce inflammation. They also help maintain healthy cholesterol levels, which is critical for long-term cardiovascular function. Food number 3 is mushrooms. Mushrooms contain ergothioneine, a powerful antioxidant linked to reduced inflammation and slower cellular aging. They also support immune health and help protect DNA from damage. Food number 2 is berries. Strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are rich in polyphenols that fight oxidative stress and inflammation. These compounds help protect the brain, heart, and skin, supporting longevity from multiple angles. Food number 1 is turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound shown to reduce inflammation, support joint health, protect brain cells, and activate longevity-related pathways. When consumed with fat and black pepper, its anti-aging benefits become even more powerful. Here's the truth. Longevity isn't about chasing youth. It's about supporting your body's ability to repair itself. When inflammation stays low, blood sugar remains stable, and cells receive the nutrients they need, aging slows naturally. These foods don't promise immortality, but they create the conditions for a longer, healthier, more vibrant life. Medical disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before making dietary changes. If this inspired you, like the video, subscribe to Eat Well, Thrive Well, and share which food you'll start prioritizing today. Remember, how you eat today shapes how you age tomorrow.